I am Kimberly M. Gaspay from BTBT 3G FSMB. Today, I will show you on how to operate an espresso machine and coffee grinder machine. An espresso machine brews coffee by forcing pressurized water near boiling point through a vat of groundwater in the filter in order to produce a tea-concentrated coffee called espresso. How to make a coffee in an espresso machine? First is preheat the coffee maker. Grind and measure your coffee. Select your filter basket and add grounds. Tamp the espresso grounds. Lock in the portafilter. Full a shot. Steam the milk and dial in the espresso. Ways to produce coffee. Add coffee to your grinder. Select the size of the grind. Select the coffee dose. And lastly, grind the coffee beans.